Alright, I need to do a quick unboxing. Got some work stuff in here that I need to wear for work, so we're gonna unbox it real quick and then get to work. Work pants. Don't really need those right now. Work gloves. Don't need those right now. Those are my belts. Don't need that right now though. These are what I need right now. My shoes. Shoes for cruise. These are what I need right now. I need to take these with me. They're gonna get worn today because my other shoes are gonna get wet when I ride to work, so yeah. I don't feel like wearing my non-slip resistant shoes, my only other shoes, and get those wet because they take forever to dry, and they're the only shoes that I have up right now, so my other shoes, I gotta replace the stuff on the inside of it. Why can I not get none of this crap right? Every single piece of metal that I've ordered is not what I want. Oh man. This stuff, it's the right flexibility. It's just, there's so much of it. I don't have any way to cut it either. I'm gonna have to get some metal cutting shears for this, because it's way too big. But this is the right thing. I'm just gonna have to wait to blacksmithing so I can cut this. Yeah, alright. So anyways, that's my metal that I'm gonna blacksmith with. It's the right thickness finally. It's just not the right length. It's twice as long as what I need, or 3 times as long as what I need. Oh man. Anyways, yeah, so get these the tabs cut off, and yeah, see you later.